A number of the mole of any substance contain the same number of particles that are represented by a constant number, that is 6.02 exponent 23. Okay, it means Avogadro's number. It represented by capital M and capital A, but it could be written in small size. Okay, so it means that like if we are talking about the carbon, okay, we know that the atomic mass of carbon is 12, right? If we are talking about number of mole, means 1 mole of carbon contain 12 gram. So what would be its Avogadro's numbers? So it means in 1 mole of carbon there would be many particles of carbon atom, right? So it would be difficult to count it. So there is a number, that is a constant number. It is given by the Avogadro. Avogadro is the name of the scientist. So he gave the method to study the number of the particles, right? So by this number, that is 6.02 exponent 23. Okay, how you will pronounce it, how you will read it? It would be 6.02 this exponent 23. Okay, so by this number you can calculate the Avogadro's number. Now we are going to start with some numericals related to it. So for this, take out your copies and here note down the heading Avogadro's number. How you will start your work? Firstly, mention the heading like this, Avogadro's number. After this, I am mentioning here some formulas. Note down the heading by using blue marker. Formula. After this, start the numeric. Okay. So, firstly, mention the heading Avogadro's number. Then, formula. So here we have two formula for the Avogadro's number. First, number of atom or molecule. Then we have to find out, we have to calculate the atom or molecule. Then its formula would be N. N is the number of mole multiplied by Avogadro number. Another formula, number of atom or molecule given mass of substance, divided by atomic mass or formula mass. Atomic mass or formula mass. Of substance multiplied by Avogadro number. Okay, so here are two numericals. Number of atom or molecule is equal to N. Here N is representing the number of mole. Okay, now multiply by Avogadro number, that is the Na. Next, number of atom and molecule given mass of substance divided by atomic mass or formula mass multiplied by Avogadro constant 7. Okay, now we will start numerical. So first numerical is, we have to calculate number of molecule in 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide. Okay, so in this numerical we have to calculate number of molecule. Okay, in 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide. If there would be written, there would be atoms, so you will note down number of atoms. if there would be number of molecules, then in the formula you will note down just the number of molecules. Okay, so firstly make the data by reading the question. In this numerical they are saying calculate number of molecule. What they are saying to calculate? They are saying calculate number of molecule. We don't know, so question mark. Okay, after this in 0.5 mole. What is this? 0.5 mole. We know that number of mole is represented by small m. Okay, how much is given? 0.5. And the unit of number of mole is mol, mole. Right? Okay. Now, what was the formula? Solution. So, tell me the formula. Number of, in this numerical they are saying to calculate number of molecule. So here we will mention number of molecule. What is the formula? Number of mole multiplied by Na. Simply put the values. Number of molecule we don't know. Number of mole, how much is given? 0.5. 0.5 multiplied by what is Avogadro number? We know that its value is constant. Okay, so you can add this in your data. Na is equal to 6.02 exponent 23. Okay, its value is constant, that is this. Okay, so you can note down this value into your data. After this, substitute this value, that is 6.02 exponent 23. Now calculate it. So for this you have to use the scientific calculator. Okay, now how you will calculate it? See here, firstly there is 0.5. So that's 0.5. Right? After this multiply. Then how you will calculate this value? Okay, firstly type 6.02. Then you will not type multiply 10. Okay, at its replacement there is a sign of exponent. Okay, in your calculator there would be a sign of e. Okay, so at the replacement of multiply 10 you will just press the sign e, that is exponent. Okay, now what is the power of this? 23. Then press it 23. Okay, then the answer would be, you can see 3.01, that is e. E means multiply 10. Okay, then after the exponent this number would be their power. So how you will write it? 3.01 exponent 23. Then number of molecule, how much is 3.01 exponent 23 molecules. You are finding here molecule, then you will write here how much molecule? This molecule. Okay, then block the answer by using escape with blue mark. Like this. Okay, again I am telling you how you will calculate these value. See, firstly, what is this? This is 0.5. Press 0.5, 0.5, then multiply 6.02. Okay, then you will not press multiply 10. At its replacement, there is a sign of exponent in your scientific calculator. Then press this one sign, and after that its power, that is 23. Now you will got the answer, that is 3.01 and exponent 23. Okay, again I am repeating this numerical. Okay, so how many number of molecules are given? No, we have to calculate it. So you will place a sign question mark. Then in 0.5 mole, what is this? The number of mole, and we know that number of mole is represented by m. How much is given? 0.5 mole. Okay, now according to the formula, we also need to know the value of Avogadro number. We know that its value is constant, that is 6.02 exponent 23. So we can note down this one value into our data. Okay, now according to the formula, place the values. Number of moles 0.5, Avogadro's value this, then calculate this, you will get the answer. Okay, now I am writing here second one numerical, and you will solve this numerical by yourself. Okay, same method will be applied here. Okay, same method would be applied here, and the numerical is that you have to calculate the number of atom. In first numerical we have calculated the number of molecule. Okay, just you have to calculate the number of atom. In 2 mole of aluminium, if they are talking about one atom, so there would be mentioned atom. If they are talking about molecule, okay, when 2 atoms will combine together like carbon and oxygen, carbon dioxide, it would be called molecule. Hydrogen and oxygen, water, it would be called molecule. Okay, but there is just one atom, that is aluminium. So here you have to calculate the number of atom. Okay, so calculate the number of atom. We don't know, question mark. It is 2 mole. You will represent it by n. Okay, then you have to calculate the number of mole of aluminium. Simply place the same formula related to the numerical number 1. Same procedure, same method will be applied. Okay, so you will solve this by yourself. Now third numerical, that is you have to calculate number of molecule in 5 gram of HCl. In 5 gram of HCl. As you can see here they are talking about the molecule, 2 atoms. Okay, so here they are using the word molecule. HCl, hydrochloric acid. It is a molecule by the combination of 2 atoms. So here they are not using the word atom. Here the word which will use, that is the molecule. Okay, so as in the starting we have mentioned the 2 formula. Okay, first was the number of molecule and atom multiplied by n multiplied by Na, and now in this numerical which one formula would be applied? If in the question they are talking about gram, we know that gram is a unit of mass. Okay, if in the question they are talking about gram, gram is the unit of mass. So we will apply the second one formula. Okay, in the first numerical there was the word which was mentioning like mole. Okay, so if there is a number of mole given in the numerical, then you will place which one formula? First one, n multiplied by n. Okay, now here in this numerical they are not talking about the number of the molecule, the number of the mole. So we will not place the first formula. Here they are talking about 5 gram. Gram is the unit of mass. We will apply here second one formula. Okay, so start to make the data. They are asking to calculate number of molecule. What you have to calculate? Number of molecule. We don't know. Okay, in 5 gram. What is gram? We know that it is a gram is a unit of mass. So it would be given mass. It is mass of what? It is mass of HCl. So you will mention here given mass of Cl. How much is given? 5 gram. Okay, then according to the what is the formula? Number of atom and molecule given mass divided by formula mass multiply by Avogadro constant symbol. Okay, so if I am writing here formula, so what is the formula? You have to calculate number of molecule. Number of molecule. What is the formula? Given mass of what? Of substance. Of, here they are talking about HCl. Right here HCl divided by formula mass. Atomic mass or formula mass. If they are talking about one atom, so you will write here atomic mass. If they are talking about molecule, about two atoms, so you will mention here. It will become a formula and you will write here formula mass. So it's mean in this numerical you also have to calculate this formula mass. But you are finding the formula mass of what? Formula mass of HCl. Okay, now according to formula Na. So this is your formula. Now given mass, you have formula mass. You don't have, but you can calculate it. You know how to find out the formula mass. Okay, how you will find out? Formula mass of what? Of HCl. Formula mass of HCl. Okay, so how we will calculate the formula mass? How many number of atom? First element is hydrogen. So how many number of atom of hydrogen are present here? 1. You will write here 1. Okay. After this, then its number of atom would be multiplied by its atomic mass. And what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? That is 1. Bracket closed. Before starting the second one element, you will place the sign here positive. Now next one element, how many number of atom are present here? If there is no number, so it means 1 is present here. Place here 1. It would be multiplied by its atomic mass. And what is the atomic mass of chlorine? Its atomic mass is 35.5. Again I am repeating, from where you can search the atomic masses. In our previous classes we have drawn a chart related to the atomic masses, symbol of element and the atomic number. So from there you can search out the atomic masses of different elements. Okay, then the atomic mass of the chlorine is 35.5. Now solve it. 1 1 1 plus sign, 35 1 35.5. Right? 35.5 plus 1, it would be 36.5. Formula mass, that is AMU. Clear? After this, we also have the value of the formula mass of HCl. Then simply put the values into it. Okay. Now, how much given mass of HCl is? Where is the given mass of HCl? It is 5 gram. Okay. And how much formula mass? You have calculated it. So formula mass is 36.5. It would be multiplied by 36.5. So according to the formula, multiply. And what is the value of Avogadro's? That is 6.02. 6.02 exponent 23. Okay, 1